Hello you beautiful people and welcome to today's video. I'm extra excited because I wanted to do this challenge I'm going to do today for a long time and now I'm going to do it. So I asked you guys on Instagram what you would like to see and you decided that you wanted to see this challenge. So today I'm gonna do the 10 minutes, 1 minute and 10 seconds challenge. I've prepared my matcha latte and a piece of paper with extra crooked lines so you know I'm a professional. And these are gonna be my tools excuse me, for this challenge. And of course I'm gonna set a timer, and the first 10 minutes I'm going to speed up so it's not that boring for you, and the 1 minute and the 10 seconds are going to be in real time. So I've decided to draw my character Leslie because I draw him a lot while sketching the comic and in my sketchbook, and he's like the easiest thing to draw for me at the moment. So yeah, I think we should start, shall we? Okay, I'm gonna lay this down here and got my 10 minutes, my panel for the 10 minutes. Whew, I'm excited. Don't go out. Don't, oh, stop that. So, okay. 10 minutes, starting now. So apparently I was really panicked at the beginning and started way too fast, so in the end I just had to fill like time with this shirt and the pattern and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, I'm definitely not will be able to do that when I move on to the 1 minute and the 10 seconds part. But yeah, well. So oops, I'm always starting some timer by accident. So for the 1 minute part, I think I will be going in with ink straight and don't do the sketch. Yeah, I think that will work. So okay, let's start. I'm really nervous. Where do I put my hand? Okay, I can do it. Wow, not again. Stop that. 1 minute, 1 minute. I need a sip of tea. Cheers. Alright, 1 minute. Already too big. I'm not. Oh my gosh. What's with his nose? I should have made a sketch. Oh no! Oops. Okay, I can do it. I can do it. Yeah. He's not looking that good. But apparently he's gonna look even worse when we're... Oh no. Alright. What's happening? He's like deforming. Alright, I don't want to see it. I just gonna lay this down. This ugly face. So apparently 3 minutes or so are required for me to draw a decent Leslie. Oh my god. Okay. So 10 seconds, huh? We're going for 10 seconds. I need another sip of tea. Oh, tea, give me strength. Apparently it doesn't give me strength. So 10 seconds, okay. I gotta warm up a bit. Okay. I'm going to do this. I can do this. Leslie, don't fail me. 10 seconds. Okay. Let's see what we have created today. Well, this is some kind of deforming, and I loved that part when I watched the videos of the bigger YouTubers. Like, we all had the same problem. It was like, but it's a face, okay? It's a face. You have this strand of hair like everywhere, and his eyes and the nose and his mouth. Okay, so this is the 10 minutes, 1 minute, 10 seconds challenge. Noobsy Draws edition. And maybe I'll do that again in some time with another character. So thank you so much for watching. And if you liked what you saw on this quality art channel, then maybe we'll see each other next time. Thank you and bye bye.